Now in mathematical tools, next topic, integration. We have to cover indefinite integral and definite integral. Derivative of a function already in previous video we have covered, but again as a revision, just remember or repair it. Differentiation of x power n as n into x power n minus 1. Differentiation of constant is 0. In this pattern, here 12 identities I have written which are important for differentiation. Differentiation of a power x is a power x log a base c. Differentiation of e power x is e power x. Differentiation of log x base a is 1 upon x log a base c. And similarly 12th differentiation of log x equal to 1 upon x. Now next, and we have to start indefinite integral. The inverse process of finding derivative of a function is called integration. Means you should know the meaning of integration. What is integration? Like differentiation. Differentiation means the process of finding derivative is known as differentiation. And integration means the process of finding integral. Yeah, the process of finding a function whose derivative is written is known as integration. Or you can say integration is the inverse process of differentiation, or the process of finding function with given derivative is called integration. I hope the meaning of integration is clear here. Then next we have to start. If ddx of fx is given as fx, means the derivative of a function is given as capital Fx, then we can write integration of fx dx equal to small fx. Here the symbol which is used here, it is the symbol of integration. If you are going to integrate any function, you will use this symbol of integration. Function, whatever after integration you are getting, it is known as integral or antiderivative. And x in dx, guys, first one is symbol of integration, second one is integrand, it is antiderivative or integral, and x in dx is dx written. X represent that the variable whose integration performed with respect to that variable x. As written here, that letter x in dx denotes that the integration is to be performed with respect to x. Means variable is x. If you written dy, it implies variable is y. If you written dt, means variable is t. So whenever dx written, from here we can confirm the variable. And capital Fx as written here, it is known as integrand. I hope the meaning of each and everything is clear here. Integration of fx dx equal to fx means first one, symbol of integration. Second, capital Fx written means integrand. Dx, in dx, x represents the variable, and fx means integral. Then integration as written, ddx of fx equal to fx means differentiation of function is given as fx. Then you can say differentiation of fx plus c is also fx, differentiation of fx plus differentiation of c. and differentiation of fx is capital Fx, already covered in previous slide, and plus differentiation of constant is 0 equal to fx. It implies if write integration of fx dx equal to fx plus c, because differentiation of fx is fx and differentiation of fx plus c is also fx, where c is known as constant of integration. Thus, integral of any function is not unique. For different value of c, you will get different integral. It is clear. I hope this part is clear. Means why we are introducing c here? C present constant of integration, because integral of a function is not unique. Then next, integration of some functions written here. The formula which you have to prepare and remember. Integration of x power n dx equal to x power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus constant c. For example, integration of x power 5 equal to x power 5 plus 1 upon 5 plus 1 plus constant c equal to x power 6 upon 6 plus c. Second, integration of 1 upon x dx equal to log x plus c, or if written integration of 1 upon x plus 3, you can write log x plus 3 plus constant c. Two parts covered here, integration of x power n and integration of 1 upon x. Then integration of a power x written, integration of a power x equal to a power x upon log a with base e. For example, integration of 7 power x written as 7 power x upon log 7 with base e plus constant of integration. If e power x written, integration of e power x is e power x plus c, because if denominator write log e, the value of log e is 0. Integration of e power x plus 1 equal to e power x plus 1 plus c. Means integration of e power x is e power x, and also you know differentiation of e power x also e power x. Now for trigonometry functions, differentiation of sin x is minus cos x. Integration of sin x is minus cos x. Integration of cos x is sin x. Integration of tan x log sec x. Integration of cosec x is log cosec x minus cot x. Integration of sec x log sec x plus tan x, and integration of cot x is log sin x. For trigonometry functions, sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot, integration is written here, which you can apply whenever required. And remember the identities which are applicable. Then integration of sec square x, also to prepare, equal to tan x. Integration of cosec square x equal to minus cot x plus constant c. Integration of sec x tan x equal to sec x plus c. Integration of cosec x into cot x equal to minus cosec x plus c. In this pattern, you can find integration of these functions. If integration of a into fx given, you can write a outside of integration sign, and integration of fx equal to a into fx. For example, if integration of 12 sin x required, we can write 12 outside, then integration of sin x just calculate, and which is equal to minus cos x, means integration of 12 sin x equal to minus 12 cos x plus c, where c is constant of integration. Integration of ax plus b power n, prepare also this result, equal to 1 upon ax plus b power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus a constant c. For example, if 2x plus 5 power 3 given, integration of 2x plus 5 power 3 dx equal to, since value of a is 2 here, to 1 upon 2, then 2x plus 5 power 3 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1, or you can say 1 upon 2 into 2x plus 5 power 4 upon 4. Further simplified, 2 into 4, 8 to 1 upon 8, 2x plus 5 power 4, and plus constant of integration is c. Then next, integration of e power ax dx equal to 1 upon a e power ax plus c. Already we have covered integration of x. Integration of x is e power x. Integration of e power x is e power x, but integration of e power ax equal to integration of e power ax, which you can write as 1 upon a into e power ax. Example, integration of e power 3x plus 4 dx equal to 1 upon 3 e power 3x plus 4 plus c. Next, integration of 1 upon x plus b, you can write as 1 upon log ax plus b plus constant c. And if anywhere given integration of 1 dx, no variable is given here, it is equal to x plus c. It implies integration of constant is x, if value of constant is 1. If anyone asks integration of 5, integration of 5 is 5x. Integration of 6 is 6x. Integration of k dx is kx. In this pattern, you can find integration of constant. Now, definite integral. In definite integral, integration a to b fx dx written, means limits are given here. There are two definite limits a and b applied here, and after that you have to integrate. That is known as definite integral. If integration of a function is fx plus c, then integration of a to b fx dx we can write as fx limits after bracket to be write a and b. First you put the value of b in place of x, you will get fb minus in place of x write down a fa. Integration of a to b fx dx equal to fb minus fa. There is no effect of constant of integration on the value of definite integral. Therefore, whenever you are going to integrate, in case of definite integral, no requirement to write this value c as constant of integration. It will cancel out when you subtract. One example is here. Integration x square dx limits 3 to 6. Integration of x square is x cube by 3, limits 3 and 6. First, in place of x write down 6 cube upon 3. Then minus, in place of x write down 3 cube upon 3. Further simplify, 6 cube upon 3 72 minus 3 cube upon 3 9. Subtract, value is 63. In this pattern you can integrate whenever limits are given. Or one more example by which this topic is clarified. Limits 1 to 3, 2x cube plus 3 dx given. First you have to integrate it. 2 written, integration of x cube is x power 4 upon 4 plus 3, and integration of 3 into 1 we can consider, that is 3x. Integration of 1 is x. Limits 1 to 3. First, in place of x write down 3. 2 into 3 power 4 upon 4 plus 3 into 3 minus, in place of x write down 1. Further simplify, 81 upon 2 plus 9 minus 1 upon 2 minus 3 equal to 81 plus 1 upon 2 plus 6 means 41 plus 6 equal to 47. In this pattern, you can integrate any function and find the particular value, which is useful in physics.